Hello students, welcome to AKS IAS Academy. Lot of students who want to prepare for UPSC or become an IAS officer have some basic doubts as to how to prepare for UPSC, what to prepare for UPSC, and what not to prepare for UPSC. What not to prepare for UPSC. So in this video, we will try to address your basic concerns for a beginner as to how to start UPSC preparation and how to streamline their preparation. We will be discussing 10 important tips for beginners to prepare for UPSC and also for students who want to prepare on their own. One of the most important prerequisite is to understand the UPSC pattern. What do you mean by understanding the UPSC pattern? It is to understand the scheme of the examination, to understand the expectation of the examiner, okay, and to understand the demands of the exam. For this, you have to go through the UPSC notification which is given in their official website. Along with that, you have to go through the previous year question papers conducted by Union Public Service Commission. This will help us understand the trend of the examination, and also it will help you an overview about which are the important areas that we have to focus upon and which are the most important subjects which we have to focus upon. It is also going to be a good source of self-assessment for a candidate. For a candidate to gauge the level of their preparation, practicing this previous year questions can give a benchmark as to what is their level of preparation. Having understood the scheme and structure of the examination, the candidate should understand the UPSC syllabus thoroughly and what are the major subjects present in the UPSC. And after understanding this, they have to buy relevant books. Why are we mentioning relevant books? You will understand now. So, this understanding of the syllabus will give you an insight into the topics to be prepared for the examination, and thus this thorough knowledge about the pattern and the syllabus as well as the scheme of the examination will definitely give an aspirant an edge in their preparation. After developing an understanding over this, they have to buy relevant books. As you all know, there are a plethora of books or plenty of books available in the market, but you should know which are the relevant and authentic books that we have to buy to prepare for UPSC. To make your process simpler, we have provided a book list, a PDF copy on AKS IAS UPSC Civils Mentor app. You can also log into upsc.aksis.com and download this PDF, which consists of the book list, namely even the relevant NCERT books or the most important NCERT books that we have to prepare, as well as the standard books which are recommended by UPSC toppers and also senior most faculties and experts of UPSC. The third important tip is to follow a daily, weekly, and monthly timetable so that your preparation is channelized in a targeted manner. Note that to become an IAS officer, it is necessary to be an officer with a well-organized daily routine. The student is expected to set their own timetable which they are comfortable with. They should not simply copy paste others' timetable. Making a timetable will ease your preparation and make it more streamlined. You should also stick to the timetable that you have made for yourself. You can also check out the AKS IAS Academy's 8-month detailed study planner, which is carefully crafted to focus equally on relevant content, concepts and facts, and will help you to prepare yourself to face any kind of question in the UPSC examination. This 8-month study planner for beginners is available in AKS IAS UPSC Civils Mentor app, which you can download for free. Moving on, the candidate should start preparing with NCERT books and follow it up and complement it with the standard textbooks, because NCERTs are the base. They are the base upon which your UPSC preparation has to be built. You should never leave your base weak, else it will all come crashing down. So we strongly recommend you to first finish the NCERT books and then move on to standard books so that you develop a conceptual clarity and are thorough with your basics. The fifth important tip is to decide upon your optional subject as early as possible. You all know that we are the choices we make, aren't we? This goes very true for the optional subject as well. Remember that the optional subject accounts for 500 marks. 500 marks including paper 1 and paper 2 in the mains examination, and it can typically make or break your IAS dream. So take care to choose an optional that you think are comfortable with, such subject which you have a basic background about, and that subject which you are passionate about, and relevant material, sources and guidance is available. Next important tip is to be willing to compete. What do we mean by this? Start giving mock tests so that you can know what are your weak areas and you can work on them. So this giving the test series at AKS IS Academy will help you understand your preparation levels, and you can do a SWOT analysis. What do you mean by SWOT analysis? To understand your strengths, weaknesses, and work on them. You will never know where you are in the race until you assess yourself. So that is why this test series is going to help you to a great extent. The seventh important tip is to start answer writing practice. As you know, the UPSC consists of three stages, namely the prelims, mains, and the personality test or the interview. The prelims is objective in nature, whereas the mains examination is a written examination or a subjective examination. That is why writing descriptive answers and writing those answers which are well thought out, which are organized, which are precise and relevant, and those answers which should be substantiated with proper facts and figures, as well as you have to write in the time bound manner. This is the key to success in the mains examination. Moving on, as a serious aspirant, you should keep yourself updated with daily events and current affairs. Current affairs can be used as a stairway to success because most of the questions which are asked both in the prelims or the mains examination are either directly or indirectly linked to the current affairs. For this, you have to keep in mind to read one newspaper daily. Apart from this, reading the AKS IAS Academy's monthly current affairs magazine, which is a compendium of current affairs collated from relevant sources like various newspapers, government websites, and also various magazines, is going to help you to revise the current affairs of the month in a crisp, relevant, and precise manner. The ninth commandment is to be consistent and regularly monitor your progress regarding the preparation. Since the UPSC examination takes almost 1 year or 15 months on an average for completion, it becomes obvious for a student to become consistent and be patient in their approach. This is what UPSC is all about. Giving the mock tests regularly at AKS Academy, following the timetable that you have prepared for yourself, getting regular feedback from the mentors will help in maintaining the consistency of your preparation and not lose track. Here, AKS IAS mentorship program is a hand-holding initiative which will help aspirants throughout their preparation process. The 10th and the final important tip is to revise and re-revise. Most of the aspirants don't like to revise. They tend to read. That is, instead of revising what they read, they try to accumulate further and further, and finally they end up forgetting everything in the examination, which is equal to no study at all. Thus, revision is the key to success. Thus, revise your self notes and only the standard books. This will help in orienting your mind towards right direction, and once you have the knowledge with you, you will also be in a position to apply the knowledge and write relevant answers in the mains examination and choose the right options in the prelims examination and in your interview, your personality test, where you can give relevant answers to the board at Union Public Service Commission. So we hope that these 10 basic tips for beginners will help you start your preparation in a streamlined and focused manner. And for further information, you can download the AKS IAS UPSC Civils Mentor app or log into upsc.aksis.com, where we will be assisting you on how to prepare for UPSC or IAS examination. Thank you. Have a good day.